Hey guys, I'm Cami Price. I'm the head trainer and nutritionist here at Ideal Shape, and I'm also a certified yoga instructor. Today I'm going to be walking you through a quick yoga flow all about strengthening the core. So make sure you like this video and subscribe so that you never miss a yoga flow. All right, you guys, let's get started. So come to a seated place, hands at heart center. Deep inhale, exhale, and then bring hands to knees, slowly starting to warm up the back and the core. Round the back, tuck the chin. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest. Round the back, tuck the chin. Roll the shoulders back, lift the chest. Again, round the back, lift the chest, and then come to a neutral spine and move on to all fours, moving into cat-cow. Roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, look up, and then round the back, tuck the chin, just slowly bringing movement to the stomach, to the back. One more. Lift the chest. Round the back. And then come to a neutral spine. From here, extend right arm and left leg. Holding nice and tight, belly button pulled in toward the spine. Get really long, extending through the fingertips and out through the toes. Stay breathing. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, bring elbow and knee together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend and hold. Keeping the stomach tight, little pulses with the hand and the leg. And release, taking it on the other side. Extend the left arm, right leg. Pulling that stomach nice and tight. Extend through the fingers and the toes. Deep inhale. Exhale, elbow and knee come together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend and hold. And then little pulses lifting the leg and the arm. The whole time really engage that core. And release. Press the hands into the ground, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back, coming to a downward facing dog. You might pedal out the heels a couple of times, warming up the backs of the legs. And then eventually let those heels settle into the earth. Feet are hip width distance apart. Inhale, reach the right leg high. And as you exhale, bring that right knee toward the right elbow into a high plank. Inhale, extend. Exhale, come together. Extend. Come together. Extend. One more time and hold here, bringing that knee right close to the elbow. Keep the stomach tight. Hovering. And then step the foot back into downward facing dog. Taking it on the other side, inhale, lift the left leg high to the sky. And then moving with your breath, left knee toward the left elbow. And extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together. Inhale, extend. Exhale together and hold. Stomach stays tight. Step the foot back into downward facing dog again. From here, drop the forearms down to the ground. So elbows are shoulder width distance apart, keeping the arms parallel. Stay breathing. Keep that stomach nice and tight. This is working into the shoulders as well. And then from here, shift into a plank position. Stomach stays tight. And then press it back. Dolphin pose. Into a plank. Dolphin pose. Into a plank. Keep the stomach tight the entire time. Dolphin. And plank. Dolphin. And plank and hold. Stomach is tight. Belly button draws in. Drop the knees down to the ground. Send the hips back. Take a breath in child's pose. Allow the stomach to relax. Then from here, press hands into the ground. Come up, shift the shoulders over the wrists, coming to a high plank position again, keeping the stomach tight. Bring the right hand to the center of the mat. Inhale, lift the left arm high, side plank. You might drop the knee down to the ground for a little bit more support. Maybe the feet are staggered. Maybe they're stacked. Maybe you bring the top leg up to a tree. Find your place. Stomach stays tight. Exhale, release. Drop the left hand down to the center of the mat. Pivot open the opposite side. Right arm reaches high. Again, finding your place. That bottom knee might drop down to the ground. Maybe your feet are staggered. Maybe they're stacked. Maybe the top leg comes up to a tree. You'll feel this again in your shoulder, your arm, targeting your core. Exhale, release, come back to this high plank position. Stomach stays tight the entire time. And then send the hips back again, downward facing dog. From here, inhale, reach the right leg to the sky. And as you exhale, bring the right knee toward the left elbow. So crossing over the body. Inhale, extend to the left elbow. And extend. 3. Extend. 4. Extend. Last one and hold. Send it back. Other side, inhale, left leg lifts high. As you exhale, crossing the body, left knee toward the right elbow. And extend toward the right elbow. Extend. Right elbow. Extend. Right elbow and hold. Send the leg back. Drop down again, dolphin pose. Stomach is tight. From here, press palms into the ground, lift back up into downward facing dog, and then you might jump or walk the feet through, coming to Navasana or boat pose. So options here, heels might stay on the ground, holding with your stomach tight. Maybe you lift them off the ground, or maybe you extend everything out. Breathing. Hug the knees into the chest. Inhale. Exhale, extend. Again, finding your place. It's okay to bring the heels down for more back support. Inhale, hug the knees into the chest. One more time, extend out. and then drop all the way down to the mat. From here, hug the knees into the chest, cross the right leg over the left, and if it feels okay, you might even wrap that right foot behind. Eagle legs, doing eagle arms as well. Left arm comes underneath, palms come together. From here, get long with the body, moving the hands and feet away from each other, and then bring elbows and knees together. Extend, come together, extend, together, extend, together and hold. And release, unwind the arms, unwind the legs, and then switch to the other side. So left leg crosses over the right, and maybe the ankle comes around, and then switching the arms. So right arm goes underneath, palms come together. Again, get long, pulling the hands and the feet away from each other, and then crunch, elbows and knees together. Get long, come together, get long, together, get long, come together. One more, get long, come together and hold. Unwind the arms, unwind the legs, hug the knees into the chest. Gentle twist, dropping both knees to the right side. Extend the left arm out. Other side, both knees come to the left. Extend the right arm out. Hug the knees back into the chest. Little rocks, up and back. And then find yourself in a seated place. Hands to heart center. Deep inhale. Exhale. Thanks for sharing your practice with me. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so that you never miss a yoga flow. Namaste.